There's a cave right here. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help us grow and get those 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Hey, what's happening guys? Welcome to the channel of Big Moreno Stay Fit. Alright, today we are going for an adventure island hopping here in Boracay. We're just waiting for a boat. It's a beautiful morning. It was raining this morning, but the weather is expected to change later on. So we are ready with goggles to go snorkeling. Different places here, different islands here in Boracay. We don't know exactly where we're going, but it's expected to have a fun day today. Yeah, so anyway guys, we're just waiting for a boat. I'm just using the GoPro, not any microphone, another microphone on the GoPro, so probably the sound is gonna sound a little bit different from previous video. But anyway guys, we're just waiting for the boat, ready to go. There's so many people already waiting for their chance to go for an adventure. So we just kind of hang out here. We have been waiting for about 30 minutes already, and the boat doesn't come.
Someone's proposing.
Oh look, a proposal. Who is the guy? Who's the lucky guy? Oh, there you go. I can see them right there. I think they're both shy. Anyway, let's get closer. Let's go closer. Did she say yes? She did say yes. She's crying. She's happy. Congratulations. Woo! She's crying. There you go guys. What a best place to propose, huh? Here in Boracay, beautiful beach, a nice weather, a lot of people to witness, so the guy doesn't go, doesn't run away. He already proposed, the girl said yes, he was crying, so there you go guys. Anything can happen on your vacation, even a marriage proposal. We are on our way. The boat is already coming over there. That one right there, the second one, that's our boat. This is our guy, and a lot of people are going on their way now. The lady's scared. She just wanna get out. You know, it's windy a little bit today. Yeah, I think she's had enough. Hold on to that girl. Alright guys, it's a private island here.
Yes,
Crystal Cove. Alright guys, we are on Cove 1. This is like a private island. And you had to pay 300 pesos per person, so we paid 600 plus the if you want to snorkel, it's gonna be 40 pesos per person. And then I don't know what what else, so 900 per person at that beginning, 300 pesos per here, 40 pesos snorkeling, so it keeps adding up. They have restaurants in here as well. It's a little bit windy, so I may not do be able to use every single video here, but with sound. But I will definitely put at least the view for you guys to see. There's a cave right here. It's a little bit rough today, guys. The weather is not helping at all. Very windy today, like the weather is not changing at all since this morning, but at least you can see a little bit of sun. Still hot, guys, so doesn't matter if it is cloudy or not, it's still hot. But the weather, the wind, you know, that's the problem, you know, creates a big wave, and then it's kind of hard even to go snorkeling, you know, because the waves are big, so you don't really enjoy it. But I didn't go snorkeling, but here it's very different, so it's kind of a little bit calm, the water, because of the island. So now we're walking towards the cove number 2. I think these are just like a viewpoint. And look at this, guys. Something pulled you, you're on your own, corazón. Alright, well now we came to another island. This one is pretty much just to take pictures. And the local, they just built the sand castle and then they charge you for taking pictures on that. Anyways, and then there's vendors pretty much, so then you can go swim over there.
You were like a monkey. Okay.
You gonna go flip?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Okay. Your turn. Your turn.
Pretty good.
She did better than you.
I know. Let's do it again.
Okay. Oh, it's her turn again.
Yes, go.
Go, jump. Give me more.
Okay. Show me again. Backflip.
Alright, 1, 2. Woohoo!
Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Backflip! Yung kasama ko magaling sa backflip!
Mi amor! Okay. Yay! Your turn. Sunod-sunod na! Woo!
What's next?
Parasite. Tumiko, May!
Yeah, she's doing
May!
better now.
Tumiko, tatlong dito kayo now!
I think she's the best.
She's the best. Here we go!
Myanmar, you found some playmates.
Yeah!
English pa.
Okay, go, go, go! Okay, he's turning me here. Ready?
1, 2, 3,
Okay, ready?
I mean the kids.
And go! Ready? Wow, wow, that was good.
Oh, sige.
Ang sakit.
Come on, compete with all these kids. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. All right, let's go. Let's go then. Ready? Go. I'll follow you. Okay. There you go. 2 kids at a time. Good job. You go first. You go first. Here we go. Hey. Woo. Don't get tired yet. Ready? Let's go. Before we leave. Ready? Go. Woo. Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Set.
Set. Okay, go, 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 go. Do a line. There you go. Ooh. Here we go, another one. A back flip. That was a good. And the last one. There you go, a great jump right there.
The last one.
Oh, your last one, you want to? Okay, last one, last one. Where does he go? Okay, last one. Ready? Go, go, go. Okay, that was good. All right, let's go, guys. I think it's time for us to go. So say goodbye, because we're leaving. Bye-bye. Alright, you guys, we are done for the day. It was a fun day. I think the fun part was hanging out with the kids. I think the kids are so much fun, you know, they have so much energy. So I think the whole trip, that was the part that I really like. Just playing around with the kids, jumping from the boat, you know, front flip, back flip. Alright guys, I think this is the whole trip for today. Island hopping, which it was good, right? It wasn't that bad. It's just the weather condition. It was a little bit rough earlier, but look at right now. It's so sunny, so beautiful. You know, and I think we're gonna go back to the hotel. We're gonna shower and change, and then go out again because, as you know, I don't like to be in the room, just not doing nothing. So we're just gonna get ready and then go out. This is a beautiful place to stay, and then so to stay in the room, that's not me. I like to enjoy the most, you know, everywhere I go. But anyway, today was a great day. Tomorrow we have I think tomorrow is gonna be a parasailing or the boat sailing boat, like sailboat. plane?
Sailing.
Yeah, we're gonna go sailing. One of those small boats just for us, private. Just go and enjoy maybe the either the morning or the afternoon, the sunset. You know,
They suggested to go, yeah, during the sunset.
the sunset. So probably we go on the sunset, just take some
More
drinks.
romantic.
Yeah, romantic.
Romantic.
More romantic. Anyway, guys. So alright, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help us grow and get those 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We really need it because you know this whole year kind of like having posted videos and the count of subscribers has going up, but slowly, you know. And I really appreciate your help and your support by subscribing to this channel. And I'm gonna keep vlogging. I'm gonna make more content for you guys, new places to visit. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.